Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ojol the game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device and then tap on the search box and simply type in Ojol the game and start your search. Once you find the game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Ojol the game on your Android device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the play button. You can then tap on it to start enjoying the Ojol game on your Android device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Ojol the game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.